What is your name?
My name is Celeste Joy Abaldo Catalan.
How old are you?
I'm 37 years old.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have son or daughter?
I have one son, 15 years old, and I have one daughter, 6 years old.
How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
I've been 2 years working here in Hong Kong.
Okay. Do you have work experience in other countries?
No,
Okay. How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Where is your latest employer living in?
South Horizon.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
Almost 700.
How many family members are they?
4.
4 couple and
2 couple and 2 kids.
1 couple. Okay. So how old the kids when you came?
2.5 and 6 years old.
Okay. Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at around 6 o'clock, and then I prepare myself, and then after that I will go out in my room 6:15, and then I will prepare the uniform of my kids,
Of
and-
the kids. Okay.
and then I will prepare her breakfast,
Mm-hmm.
and then after that she will change, and then I will send her to the bus stop, and then when I come back I need to prepare the another one kids for her school and her breakfast, and then my boss will send them at the bus stop, and then when my boss will go out, I will clean.
Okay. Do
The-
the household chores.
Yes,
Like what?
laundry,
Mhm.
cleaning the window, cleaning the toilet, and cleaning the room.
Okay.
And-
Do you go to market?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you prepare dinner?
I'm only preparing the dinner, but
Okay.
my boss is cooking, and sometimes if he cannot come back early, I will cook.
Okay. So what time do you eat for the dinner?
8 or 8:30.
Until what time you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at around 10 or 10:30.
Okay. So where will you go on your holiday?
I go to Yalmate from my sister-in-law.
Okay. So what kind of household chores are you good for?
Cleaning and taking care of the 2 kids.
Okay. So what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
My previous job in the Philippines is a sales associate in Watson's Personal Care Stores Incorporated for 10 years.
Okay. Thank you.